Saudi Arabia just committed $1 trillion to artificial intelligence. Not million, not billion, 1 trillion. The same country that built its wealth on oil is now betting everything on data centers, AI chips, and cloud computing. They are calling it sovereign AI, government owned artificial intelligence infrastructure designed to replace oil revenue. This isn't just another tech investment. This is a nation using AI as fiscal stimulus to transform its entire economy. Here's how it works. Saudi Arabia's economy runs on oil. In 2024, oil still represented 43% of GDP and provided 75% of government revenue. That's 3/4 of the national budget dependent on a single commodity. The problem? Oil demand is projected to peak around 2030. Saudi Arabia needs roughly $98 per barrel of oil just to balance its budget. When prices falls below that, the government runs deficit. This is why Vision 2030 exists, to diversify away from oil before it's too late. And the early results are promising. Non-oil GDP grew 4.5% in 2024 and now accounts for 76% of total GDP after statistical rebasing. Non-oil revenues reached $137 billion in 2024, more than doubling since 2016. But here is the challenge. Where do you invest massive oil wealth to create sustainable long-term revenue? The answer Saudi Arabia chose is artificial intelligence. In May 2025, Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman launched Humane, a sovereign AI company owned by Saudi Arabia's $940 billion public investment fund. Humane is building the entire AI value chain: data centers, cloud infrastructure, AI chips, and applications. The scale is groundbreaking. Humane's CEO estimates their data center infrastructure alone will cost $77 billion. They've already signed $23 billion in deals with US tech giants like Nvidia, AMD, and Qualcomm. They are launching a $10 billion venture capital fund to invest in AI startups across the United States, Europe, and Asia. Here is a strategic logic. Saudi Arabia has cheap, abundant energy, the same advantage that made them an oil power. Data centers consumes enormous amount of electricity. Humane CEO argues the kingdom's competitive edge lies in using surplus energy to power AI computing infrastructure. Think about what's happening. Instead of selling electricity at low prices or even exporting oil, Saudi Arabia is converting energy directly into AI computing power and digital services, products with far higher profit margins than raw commodities. This is where it gets economically fascinating. Saudi Arabia isn't just building AI infrastructure, they are using it as fiscal stimulus, meaning government spending designed to boost the entire economy. Here's the how multiplier effect works. When the government invests $77 billion in data centers, that money doesn't disappear. It pays construction companies, employs engineers, buys equipment from tech firms, and creates thousands of jobs. Each dollar spent generates economic activity beyond just the initial investment. Humane is building 1.9 gigawatts of data center capacity by 2030, with plans to scale to 6.6 gigawatts within 4 years. Microsoft is opening a cloud data center region in Saudi Arabia, operational in 2026. These facilities will sell cloud services, AI processing, and computing power to companies globally, creating continuous revenue streams that replace oil exports. The UAE is doing similar projects. Technology spending across the Middle East will reach $169 billion in 2026. Saudi Arabia isn't alone in this strategy, but they are going bigger than anyone else. Saudi Arabia is making a calculated bet that artificial intelligence will be as economically valuable in the 21st century as oil was in the 20th century. They are not just investing in AI, They are building sovereign control over AI infrastructure the way they controlled oil fields. The advantages are real: cheap energy, abundant capital from the $940 billion public investment fund, strategic partner with every major US tech company, and government commitment at the highest levels. But the risk exists too. AI technology evolves rapidly. Today's cutting edge chips could be obsolete in 5 years. Global AI regulations are uncertain, and Saudi Arabia is competing against the United States and China, who have decades long head start in technology department. Yet the strategy makes economic sense. Oil is finite. Data and computing power are the new strategic resources. Saudi Arabia is using its oil wealth, while it still has leverage to build the infrastructure for a post-oil economy. Whether this trillion-dollar gamble succeeds will determine if oil nations can successfully transform themselves into technology powers. Saudi Arabia is showing us one possible path forward, using AI investment as the ultimate form of economic diversification. If this analysis gives you new perspective on how nations transform their economies, consider subscribing for more deep dives.